Is that a badass fucking badass truck, dog? Fuck. I feel like I'm not even welcome to bro's house. I get welcomed with the finger. Ooh, this fucking thing is just clean. Bro's ready for his trip. Bro, you ready for your trip, dog?
I am, bro. Loaded up the babes.
Okay. Let's hear this startup, dog. And like I thought there was gonna be something. Ooh, okay. I like that startup. Ooh, that surge. Race car. Race truck.
Fuck, I dropped my pop.
No. Wish bro a safe trip. Badass. A little bit of change since we last seen her. Got a little carbon hood. Yeah. Fucker sick. Just got something else in the mail today. Might as well just do a little opening. Do like a little unboxing, we'll say. They shipped it out to me. Shout out to Soul Function. I actually won a raffle like 2 weeks ago, and I also have their harness bar. I was like one of the first 5 actually in the world to have that. You can't see that shit at all, but anyway, one of the first 5 people to have the Soul Function harness bar also, and I fucking love it. It's so sick. Best bar out there for a little harness bar, just to, at least without welding and, you know, full cage and shit. Yeah, make great products though. They also sent this out to me. Fucking, check it out. Just got a little strut bar from them. It's actually really fucking nice. Little t-shirt. I'm assuming those are to mount it. Ooh, nice little packing slip. Okay. Some bolts. Oh yeah. Ready? See if this logo is covered. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it. It's pretty sick. About to go on the old Z-Nast.
my wrist and she looked at 100,000.
Sick ass baby. Anyway, if y'all guys liked the video, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, share the video. I doubt y'all guys will. Fucking, this shit was weak as fuck, but whatever. Hey, if y'all guys do, go ahead. Thanks. Yeah. Catch you next time. See you guys.
Chilling in the projects to making projects. We was trying to get to the top and they tried to stop us.